Hi everyone, I'm Debbie Wright and I'm Style Director here at Lug, and one of my all-time favorite activities is showing you how very versatile our bags are. Today I'm going to show you how to style our new Allegro and Adagio bags in gunmetal gray. I'm going to take you from work to the weekend, running errands, and out for the evening. Let's get started. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it inspired you to create new outfits that work for your life and work with your Adagio and Allegro gunmetal gray bags. As always, hit the subscribe button above and stay tuned for more to come.